treat them right. Put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Bye-bye, bye-bye.
Hey y'all, welcome to Natural Life with Niche. I know y'all probably like, where the heck have you been? It's been a good like 2 to 3 weeks, if I'm not mistaken, since I posted a video. And y'all probably like, you said you was gonna post every day. You said you was gonna post every week. Like, what happened? Yo, I went on a little trip. A little vacation, a little base day, whatever you want to call it. I went on there, okay? So today, as you can see, I got my best friend. Okay, y'all, I kind of fixed it. But yeah, y'all, so we got this water. Give me a second, I'm a little thirsty. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo, I was really thirsty.
Jesus Christ.
I was thirsty. Alright, y'all, so y'all probably like, why did you drink that water like that? Y'all, we gonna do. This is this TikTok trend that's going around, and with cornstarch, it's
Corn syrup.
yeah, corn
Not
syrup.
starch.
It's like cornstarch though.
It's
But
not. Cornstarch is a powder.
I know, but it's the same joint though, just the syrup version. But the corn syrup, and we got Koolaid. Back it the fuck up. They can see you from all the way back here.
Oh.
So, strawberry kiwi. We got strawberry kiwi and the cherry Kool-Aid packets. Let's get into this video, okay, y'all? Now, before we start, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you turn that post notification on, because if you're not watching Natural Life with Niche, like, what are you doing? What are you doing? Make sure you hit the bell so you'll know when I post a new video. And that's on what? And that's on Periana. Let's get into the video. I'm gonna open this up. This was $3.59 at my little corner store. Ew, that texture is like slime.
It's thick.
Yes. Like me. I'm playing.
God.
But so
Sweet.
did you just stick your finger there?
I stick it at the top and let it pour down. Calm down.
Yeah, so basically you gotta pour the cornstarch in this bottle. In the bottle. And then you're supposed to pour, which one you want? You're supposed to pour the Kool-Aid.
It's sour without sugar.
We're not putting sugar in here. You got honey? Oh, go get the honey.
You want it?
Yeah, go get the honey. But yeah, so we're gonna pour the Kool-Aid in the bottle after we pour the cornstarch. But she might come out here with something nasty. Tahini. What is it?
Tahini.
Yo, what's it called? Tahini. Tahines. So, what is it? Tahines? That's like a black nigga name. Tahine. Tahine, get over here. Tahines, I'm not playing with you. Tahines, stop.
Oh my god.
But anyway, we're gonna try this. It's kind of nasty. Is this hot?
It's mild.
Okay. So, I'm gonna pour mine first. You got a funnel?
Yeah. Go get it.
Where's it at?
In the back cabinet on.
Never mind. So we're just going. We're just.
It fell on my lap.
I'm gonna pour mine first.
Wait, don't pour it yet.
You wanna get the funnel?
Duh.
But it's going in so smooth.
Oh well.
You're gonna put it in here. We're gonna pour it in here. Hot? You know how many? I'm just pour it in here.
Don't pour like half. Because you still got to flip it upside down. You don't know if it's good or not.
Yeah, we should have. They put a spoon in there or no? They put a spoon in that bag or no?
Mm-hmm. You want some?
No, I was gonna push this in. We're just gonna do a little bit because we gotta flip it upside down, and I do not want to use all of this and then like kind of find out like this shit nasty as fuck.
Probably gonna taste better with the flavor.
Yeah. Yo, I'm scared. You scared?
No.
You not scared?
I mean, I don't know how it's gonna taste.
I don't know how to taste, and I don't like yo. When it comes to food, I'll try anything, not anything, cause like no. But when it comes to food, I really would try like things. If it got good reviews on it, I'm gonna try it. And everybody been doing it. I'm like, let me try it out here. So I put this much in here. That looks like a lot.
Because it's a big water bottle.
And it's heavy as hell, y'all. It's heavy as fuck. Which one you want?
Oh, snap.
I'm gonna do cherry.
I'll do strawberry kiwi. I like kiwi.
Oh shit, we need another water bottle for it. If you want to try this. I gotta drink another one.
I'll drink it.
Oh my god. Okay.
Why does it smell like that?
I'm gonna wait for y'all. Let me close this because we found a split. Because we come. Did y'all?
You're slow.
Oh my god.
It was stuff like that.
Alright. So you're gonna open this up.
Let's get a napkin and put the phone here.
Caffeine free. Yeah, I haven't had Koolaid in so long. I haven't had Koolaid in so long, y'all. It's been so long. Ouch.
Jesus Christ.
What?
That smell kind of weird.
What's wrong? Oh, Jesus. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Okay, let's go.
You pouring the whole packet in?
Yeah. Okay. What's in there?
I got it in my mac and cheese.
How did you get it in your mac and cheese? Where's my... Okay. And you supposed to shake it up, right?
Oh, why is it like... Oh.
What? Oh, girl, I'm scared like that. I probably put too much. We trying to see. I'm scared. Okay, come on.
Mine is pink.
That's actually cute. I'm done shaking mine. Hers is really pretty. Look at the color. It's little. I got a lot. Oh my god, hers is so little. It's a little bit.
It's still
I got a lot. Okay, so I'm gonna throw these in the freezer for about how many hours?
3.
3 hours. What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes.
3 minutes?
Cancel, Siri, cancel. My bad. We're gonna put these in for 3 hours. We're gonna put these in for 3 hours, and then I'm gonna put these in. Then we're gonna make the tahini one. You want me to drink that water? What water is that?
That's yours. Nobody got no purified.
I didn't bring no purified in here. I didn't bring no water. I didn't bring nothing besides stuff.
That wasn't here this morning.
That's not mine. Who is it, Jesus? Like what?
That wasn't here this morning.
Yes, it was. That's not mine. I didn't bring no purified home.
We don't drink purified. Obviously, this is Wesley.
Anyway, everyone. I'm gonna throw these in the refrigerators and then the freezer for 3 hours. Did I say this already? I feel like I said this already. I'm just gonna put it in the freezer. My loneliness. My loneliness is killing me, and I must confess, I still believe. But yeah, so I'm gonna do this real quickiana. So all these can come at the same time because I got time. Look how much corn. I'm just gonna use the rest of this.
Why? What if the tahini is not good? Ugh.
We don't got no more Koolaid packets. I couldn't find them. I wanted the blue one because the blue one looked really pretty.
The blue one tastes pretty.
Yeah.
What tahini and Takis in it?
Hell no. Oh my god, that french fry stuck in my throat. I knew it was dry. So you gotta put the tahini in it.
The tahini.
I think this gonna be nasty. Okay. Never mind. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna shake it up. I don't think this is gonna taste nasty. This is all. It look like throw up.
It look like chimney.
It look like. Shake it up real good. Alright, y'all. So I'll shake this up. Okay, this is going, y'all. This is going. 359. It's going.
You made 3 water bottles.
I did. So I'm gonna put this in there. I'm gonna put this in the freezer for the rest of them, and then we see y'all back in 3 hours. Hey y'all. So as y'all can say, I have new clothes on, and she has new clothes on. And new hair. So yeah, y'all. So it's the next day because if we waited what 3 hours, I went to sleep, y'all, and I woke up around like 7, and it was in the freezer for like 3-4 hours, and it was still like the same way. So I went home, came back, whatever. So yeah, y'all. So what we're about to do is we're about to try them. I'm scared, y'all. So let me remind y'all. So this one had cherry Koolaid in it.
This one had kiwi lemonade.
It was strawberry
kiwi.
Yeah, strawberry kiwi
And
Koolaid.
this one had tahini.
Tahini's in it. I don't know what that is. So you finna try it. I'm scared.
I just brushed my teeth, so it's gonna taste nasty to me.
I just drank a milkshake.
Well,
Alright, we just want to see. So I'm gonna.
I'm scared, low key. Okay, whatever. Let's do it.
I'm scared. Alright, we got.
This is how it came out. It looks.
Okay, we're gonna do it the same way. And this. I'm gonna get on the table. Okay. Alright, let's do this. Alright. Oh my god, look. Ah!
I'm not gonna bite it like people do that.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Mmm.
That's sour.
It's not bad, but it's sour. It's good.
It's sour. I don't like sour shit.
It's good, but it's just sour.
I don't like it.
I told you yesterday that
It's sour.
I told you yesterday that Kool-Aid is sour without sugar. Nobody want to listen to me.
I'm supposed to do this.
Okay.
I don't want to take that bullshit. Y'all, this is like, but it came out so pretty, like the TikTok though. But I'm just eat this because I don't want to put it. Yeah, I don't eat it.
Mmm.
It tastes like a warhead.
This is the tahini. I licked it and it tastes good. Oh, never mind.
What it tastes like? I never tried that ever in my life. I'm gonna eat this though, cause I don't want to put it back in a trash like this.
It's busting. I think I prefer this over this.
Y'all know when y'all sick, when y'all was younger, and y'all got sick,
You got it all over the bottle.
and they gave you that red medicine. And the red
Robitussin?
No, it's you only get it. Only the doctor can prescribe y'all with this medicine. It's in a red bottle. You know what I'm talking about?
I don't think so.
Y'all, if y'all know what I'm talking about, let me know. But it's in a red bottle. Only the doctor can give it to y'all. Y'all might use it. It's nasty as shit. This shit tastes like nasty as hell. Yeah, no me. Yeah.
I don't really
This shit is nasty. This is nasty.
So for everything, I'll give it a thumbs down.
You licked it.
No, I didn't. I bit it.
You bit it?
I didn't lick that. I licked this. I bit that one.
You bit this?
Yes, give me some.
Okay, girl. No.
Wipe it off.
Yeah, no.
I don't know why I'm eating this. It is good. It don't even taste like. You can't taste the syrup.
If y'all finna do the y'all can't taste the syrup. But if y'all finna do this, put some sugar in the Kool-Aid. Because they are sour. They are sour. That's nasty. Let me try that.
Tiny?
Yeah, I'm scared.
I like this.
I know you did.
I thought you didn't want it.
I wanna try it though.
It's like spicy and salty. It's not hot though. I like spicy stuff.
Okay.
It's like cotton candy.
No. Oh my god, that was disgusting. No. But yeah, so the cherry and the Koolaid and the strawberry kiwi, y'all, if y'all gonna make this, put some sugar in it because I speak. I seen that. But anyway, but it's sour as hell. This tahini, what's it called? Tahini, whatever it's called. Nasty. Tastes like seasoning. It tastes like I poured a whole lot of seasoning in my mouth.
It is seasoning.
Nasty as hell. So if y'all want to try this with Kool-Aid, just put sugar in it. That's the only advice I give y'all. But mine, I rated a 3 out of 10, y'all. 3 out of 10. What you rated?
Throw these in the trash?
Yeah, I'm throwing this shit in the trash.
A 3 and a 5. So round this together. I'll say a solid 5.
Yeah.
Together.
Yeah. But yeah, that concludes this video. If y'all want to try this, like I said, put sugar in the bottle. Put sugar in the Kool-Aid. And don't do the tiny. That shit is nasty. Anyway, I said anyway. And I got this freaking stuff all on my fucking hand. But yeah, guys. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you share with your family, friends, dogs, and your cats, and the goats, and all the way. You feel me? And yes, I said goats. Because, hey, not everybody got cats. Okay? But yeah, y'all. So make sure y'all remember. Turn your post notification on so you'll know when I post a new video. Thanks for watching, guys. And remember, you only got one life, live right. Self-care is the best care. And we out this thing.
Bye, bye, bye. You're a little bit selfish. You get mad every time you lose. You can't take me with you. I'm scared you're gonna blow your fuse. Come a little bit closer. Yeah, I can really start over. Yeah. In the back of my mind, there's someone waiting on me. You're just wasting my time because you're scared and lonely. Finally got some closure. Yeah, I can finally start over. Yeah. So all my ladies who got a brother, they're doesn't treat them right. Put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye.